Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a bride and a groom for wedding. First, I'm drawing the bride. She is wearing a beautiful wedding dress. Her wedding dress is so lovely. I'm going to paint with rainbow colors on her wedding dress. And I'm drawing the groom. He is wearing a nice wedding suit. And finally, I'm drawing a wedding arch. They look so beautiful. Let's color now. Yellow, brown, cream, pink, yellow, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, fuchsia, yellow, cream, red, blue, brown, red, yellow, blue, yellow, light green, yellow, purple, yellow, pink. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.